You heard him right. We're gonna pay you back big time. Oh, and this isn't the only one of us. We have way more. Come over here, Jimmy! Right now!
Gee, what do you want?
We want you to get revenge on that guy.
That guy? I don't even know who he is. I can't even see anything, alright? I'm going through a lot right now, and you guys are talking about one guy.
Now focus on it, Jimmy. Focus!
Ew, you don't have to do that.
Shut up. Stop, you little idiot. You're supposed to be bros, so we can show off on this guy.
Am I supposed to hear any of this stuff, or is this like family business?
Go!
Okay, sorry.
Hey, Dad, so is that guy actually not, is that guy supposed to be hearing any of this? He's not, right? Is he?
I already told him to go, little Jimmy. Did you hear? Huh? Are you deaf? Did you hear what I was saying about him? Did you? No.
I didn't. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Can I have a banana, please? Please?
No. We're on a budget. Do you think we're humans that can go to a shop and get little bananas for free? You have not to fight any animals for it, so it's not fair. Right, little Jimmy? It's not fair, little Jimmy, isn't it?
I don't know. I'm going to bed.
So, little Jimmy, do you have any questions, huh? Do you have any questions, son? Or are you my son? We probably got you from the adoption place. It was weird, and the people were weird, huh? Yeah, they really were weird.
Shut up, Dad. This is exactly how I was going to go to bed. I didn't want to come back and talk to you again. Stop. Please, Dad. Stop. I hate you.
Get off me! Jimmy! Get off me! You're technically kissing me right now! Get off me! Get off! Oh, little Jimmy. Let's hope you didn't stay alive. We're not gonna take you to a hospital because we're not humans. We're not weak like humans. We don't need what humans have. We don't need what any of them have. We don't need any of that. You hear me?
You guys know I'm here, right? Guys, yeah, yeah.
Get out of here! No!
Oh, yeah, sorry. I forgot.
Stupid guy. Gosh. Ugh. So dumb and stupid. What the heck? What the?
Where am I? Dad, where am I? Dad, what is this thing? Dad!
Oh, Jimmy, we were supposed to finish our plans. What is happening? You were supposed to kill him.
I was making up different plans, but I didn't want to do them. I just didn't want to kill him. It just felt wrong, but I also did. I had that feeling in my heart to crush its face. I don't know. I'm sorry, Dad.
Okay. Well, we will get you out of there. We will get you out. Tasers. Or they were lasers. I'm not a human.
Dad, what happened, Dad?
Be okay, son. I will be okay. I'm just a little injured right now, so I can't help you. But someone else will try. Your older brother, he'll save you. He'll save you. Just give me a rest now.
Dad, why?
Just give me a rest, son. Give me a rest.
Okay, so I'm back from eating my hot dog. Did I miss anything? Or like, what the frick? Little Jimmy, what are you doing in an electric chair? What are you doing? I don't know. Please save me. Please save me. Please save me, Johnny, please. Okay, gosh, this is probably not real or anything, but... Oh, Bear Trap! What the heck? Ow! Toes! My toes!
Oh, stupid. That's just my charger. Dude, come on, man.
Yo, this is more like a monkey trap! You know? Like, this really hurts my toes! Please. Is that a button? What are you gonna do?
The heck? Little monkey dropped something. Huh. Okay. Step 1. Kill the loser. Step 2. Act like little Jimmy's nice. Step 3. What? Oh my gosh. So little Jimmy, he was evil. I suspected that. I just thought he was nice but evil. I just had that feeling that he was evil and that it was right to do that to him. Okay. I guess we're good. Eat that, monkey. Feeling good today. Oh, yeah, awesome. Oops. Open secret stairs. Okay. I'll close these stairs. Close stairs. Okay. Now let's read this note. You were passed out for 3 days. BTW, I know your secret lair. You've always known my secret lair. God. Like, why is the smell here? Is there something rotting? Hey, Damien, have you ever had any contact with these monkeys? No, they're my friends. What do you mean? Look. Okay, look. If you want to know why something's rotting here, it's because I killed this one, and that's probably why it smells. And also, these guys are evil. They're not your friends, okay? Okay, Damien? Okay. So just listen to me. Right, you don't have to be so serious. Okay, gosh. Okay, fine. We'll do a test on you.
What's on my head? What's that?
That thing, it connects to the TV, and it tells what you know about the monkey. So put your hand up, and we are going to scan your hand. All right, now put your hand here. Okay, let's scan it. All right, it's scanning. Close. It says it's really close to being done. Download. Okay, let's see what you've been doing with this monkey. Okay, looks like the camera's motion tracked really well and showed what happened to you. This is some good stuff, but we gotta know what happened to this monkey. Michael, come over here. We're gonna need your help. You're gonna need to fix this monkey and bring him back to life. Actually, it's okay. We can do something else. I can do it. I can do it. Yeah, I better go change if I was in there for 3 days. There we go. New me.
Guys, go. Better little Jimmy. Hey, Josh. Better listen to your dad, son. Better listen to your dad. Better.
Coming! I got him! You know he's dead, right?
I know he's dead. Just get over here right now. Guys, shh. He might know we're here. Okay, everyone whisper. I'm gonna look.
Okay, Dad.
Shut it. Oh, there he is. He's making a drawing. Perfect. I'm gonna jump on his back. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Okay. Where is it? It's not there. Whatever.
You grabbed him.
Nothing. I'm sorry.
Why did you do that to me?
I'm sorry. I had to. I'm sorry. Oh. Sorry, monkey, but I'm gonna have to take care of you to use more data. What about more of them? I got this when I was 5 for Christmas. I'm sorry. I just had to. Okay. Just sit down.
Well, that was sad. I mean, at least he felt bad for killing your dad. Right, little Jimmy? Oh, yeah.
I'll bring him back to life. Just listen up. This is the cloning room. This is the cloning projector. Whatever it's called, I don't like care. It's cool, right?
Yeah.
What did I say? Okay, turn on cloning machine. Full power. Clone what I put inside of it, not paper. There we go. Check this out. Sorry, little Jimmy. This is pretty cool, right?
Boy, cool, because it's saving my brother.
Attitude. Come on, man. There we go. Do you want to watch this?
Sure.
Let me stuff it in.
Oh, what is happening? Is that your dad? Brother? What happened to Dad? Oh, Dad. We are going to put him in this machine, and we will bring him back to life. What did this idiot do? What do you do? Calm down, Jimmy. He's going to bring our dad back to life. But don't tell him. We are tricking him. We will kill him. Okay. Good.
What are you guys talking about?
Okay.
Okay. Whatever you say. Get in.
Come on, Dad. This is my secret.
What's that? Where am I? Where am I? Oh, I think I'm too heavy. Oh, my head. I'm alive.
Nice, Dad.
Nice, Dad.
I know, right? So cool. Let me close this. So, you guys know the plan, right?
I do.
I do too. Great. So, what are we gonna do again?
We are going to jump on his back and steal all of what he has.
Yeah, same idea.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, guys, let's do this, I guess. Let's go to my room or the playroom.
Your room.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, my back. Oh, son of a cap. Let's go, boys. Okay, boys. How do you guys like it in here? Cold. Great. Good. Great. Good. Great. Okay. I actually have another friend. His name is 2. Let me go get him for you. Here he is. You guys have any questions about him? Yeah. Why does he look like a hand? Isn't it stupid? Like, are you gonna try to flip us off with that? No! Man, guys, come on. Be a little more mature than that. This is just a hand. It's just a hand. No, he didn't. Oh, I'm okay. It didn't hurt. 2, go smack him. You missed. Alright, guys. I healed up. Can you guys please jump out of the way? On that bed, you guys can go take a rest, you know. Been a long day. Good job. Ooh, yikes. Huh, good job, Jimmy. Yeah, good job. You should jump up there. What are you doing, stupid? Oh, me too, stupid. And 2, you can go jump over there too. Yikes. Oh, there you go. Good job, 2. Okay. Soul and paper.
Okay, guys. Guys, stick to the plan. Stick to the plan.
Dad, stick to the plan. Stick to the plan.
Oh, what plan?
Nothing. What are you gonna have a mouth that moves? It's not fair. You can actually breathe. It's not fair.
I think it's pretty fair. I mean, at least you don't get dirty all the time.
Sure. Bananas always get us dirty.
At least your mouth doesn't randomly disappear. Anyway, I'm gonna tell the boss something about what you guys are talking about, your plan.
Oh, I don't think so.
Hey, boss, guess what they're doing?
Get that, you little loser.
Guys, just be quiet. I'm trying to draw. My gosh. You guys are so, annoying and stuff, bro. Gotta go slow. This looks exactly like Sonic, though. That's his thing, right? Wait. What the heck? Plan 1. Kill the hand guy. Plan 2. Prank the guy / Blake. Plan 3. Kill Blake. Oh. You little freaking twerps. You don't need to be involved with this too. Get out there. What the? How are you doing that? What's happening? What the heck? How are you making me floating? I'm trying to stop. I can't even. Some help!
We work together.
You forgot about one thing. To always watch where what you're doing.
Come on! Come on. I feel so dizzy.
Dizzy. Great! I knew they would do something. You guys are coming with me. Perfect. Probably never introduced you to this place. Oh, you're gonna have so much fun in there until I do this. Close. Open. Okay, good. Explosion. Shut off that first.
Michael,
We're gonna need you next time. Okay, guys, so we are gonna have the fourth one coming out in probably next week or so, probably around that. I don't know, probably sooner. But the third one is coming out tomorrow or today. So about 2026, Tuesday, July 2nd, July 7th, or July 8th, Wednesday. So it's one of those. I will keep you guys noted, and thanks for watching. Bye.